Hello friends, here we will learn a bit about how to remote into a real device. As you can see here we have a PC, a laptop, cables, and also a switch. On this switch there are many ports or interfaces. These are used to connect this cable. The cable will be connected into the port, and the other end will be connected into a laptop, access point, PCs, and so on. So the purpose of these ports is to connect and remote into PCs or laptops through the cable as an intermediary. We will learn how to remote in Cisco Packet Tracer. As usual, let's place one switch and one PC. Then go to the connections section. Usually we use the automatic one, but now we are going to use this blue one, which is called the console cable. Click on the switch and choose this one. Then click on the PC and choose this one. Once connected, you to remote into the switch, you could just click the CLI tab. It's easy because you can just enter the prompts there. However, because real physical switch doesn't have a display, we use the PC. In the PC, it's basically the same. Go to the desktop, then terminal, and just click OK. Now we can enter the prompts from here. Next, we will learn some basic commands in Cisco Packet Tracer. Click on the switch, click Enter. In the beginning, you will see the word switch, followed by greater than symbol. This is called user mode, which is the lowest level. You can set a question mark. In user mode, we can only use a few prompts. We cannot perform configurations yet. To go to the next level, type enable, or you can shorten it into N. The prompt changed to a hashtag. This is called privilege mode. In this next section, the prompts we can use are much more numerous compared to the user mode. If you type a question mark again, you'll see more comments. If it says more, you can press Enter to see them one by one, or press Space to see a whole page. To go to the next level, type const T. Press Enter, which stands for Configure Terminal. The prompt still has a hashtag, but now includes config. In this section, you can start configuring. The prompts are much more extensive than the user or privilege mode. This is called global configuration mode. As the name suggests, this is the place for us to configure. To exit from here, you can type exit. Password and encryption. First, go to global configuration mode. And type enable password 111. Click exit. Now when we try to enter the mode, we can get in directly. We have to enter the password. Type the password. The password is invisible for security, but once you press enter, you can access the configuration. But this is not secure at all because we can see the password by typing show run. See, it immediately reveals the password by uh, the password we just created. Therefore, there is more secure way by use enable secret. For example, let's exit first. Okay. For example, let's set it to potato. Okay. No, oh, first. No, secret. Potato. Enter and exit. Okay. Okay. We can try to use the potato password. And if we look at show run, look, you will see that the secret password is encrypted. It looks like gibberish, making it much safer. We can also mask the regular enable password by using the command surface password encryption. Okay, let's try it. Enter. Huh? Oh, sorry, there's a typo. Yes. Okay, enter. And then exit first. So now the 111 password has changed into a code. However, be careful because this type of encryption can be easily cracked by using online Cisco password crackers. So enable secrets is definitely much more safer. Now let's learn how to input IP addresses using a router. Place a router. We use this router, a switch, and some PCs. We will create two IP segments first. 10.10.10.0/24, and for the other side is 20 20.20.20.0/24. Okay, first identify the interfaces. This side is FA0/0 and for this side is FA0/1. Go to the router. Okay, no. Enter privilege mode and then global configuration. And type in interface FA0/0 to enter the interface. Then type no shutdown. Okay. Okay. Exit. It will turn on. You will see the cable link turn green. Do the same for the other side. So press one. Okay. No. Look now both exit. Now input the IP address. Interface. And click and type 20 yes 10.10.10.1 and followed by the subnet mask is 0. Enter. Oh, oh, sorry, table IP. Mm, Enter. And okay. Do the same for the other side. Mm, mm, so, one, two, one. 55, 155.255.0. Please enter. And that's it. Okay. Then go to the PC settings and IP configuration and set the PC IP to 10.10.10.1. Oh, oh, I'm sorry. 10.10.10.2 and the subnet 0 and change the default gateway into 10.10.10.1. This is the router's IP. Okay. And for the other side, PC, we use the 20.20.20.2 IP address and then subnet next. And one. Okay. Now let's test it by sending a packet between the two in the same segment. And, oh, look, it says successful, and when pinging the PC across the router, the first might fail, but the second try will be successful. See, successful. Lastly, I want to show you the end comment. It's similar to exit, but if you're in deep in sub-configuration, like an interface, exit takes you back one level to global config, but and take you all the way back to privilege mode immediately. Config, config, save, zero, zero. If you type exit, it will go still in global configuration, but if you type on, it will send you back to the privileged mode immediately. Okay, I think that's all for this material. Sorry for any mistake. Goodbye, friends.